guys, it's Claris. Today I'm going to be doing this red to nude polygel set with bling. I hope you will enjoy, and yeah, let's get right into it. Now to start with, I'm going to remove my old nails, and I did use a peel off base coat under these, so that does help make removal easier. These are my natural nails, and what I'm just going to do after I clean them off is trim them down a little bit and then use my glass file to file them to shape. Now polygel is generally a product that will last a long time, but since I do have to film videos twice a week, I do have to remove manis fairly quickly, so I'm going to be using a peel off base coat under this, and this is the ASP Make It Peelable base coat. I did do a review on using this under gel manicures, and it made removal go a lot easier, so I'm just applying this to all the nails, and this product will air dry. You do not need to cure it under a lamp. Alright, so this is the Gershion kit I'm going to be using. I did actually do a review of this one a little while ago when I fixed some broken nails using it, but I haven't actually done like an actual polygel manicure with these. Now, since I do have long natural nails, it's really going to be kind of like an overlay. I won't actually be building any nails because I already have the length, but this kit does come with a package of dual forms here, an instruction manual, a brush, and this is the little brush to shape the polygel. So I'm going to first grab the base coat, and I'm going to apply this to all of the nails and then cure. Now for colors, I thought I was going to do something kind of like this pink to a pale purple ombre, but I changed my mind and decided to go with a kind of a nude pink to a red color. So I'm going to start off by taking the lighter color, which is the pink, and applying that to the cuticle area. And I do want to mention these polygels do seem quite a bit different than I've seen other people use. You don't squeeze the product out and then use a little scraper tool to cut off a portion for yourself. It's not that thick. It's definitely more thin and runnier. It's not runny to the point that it'll run all over my nails, but I do want to mention that it's just a little bit different. And I found that I actually had to cure one color before going on to apply the other one, and that was the only way I found I was able to make it work. Otherwise it just kind of became a mess. So now I'm going to go in with the red on the tip of the nail, and I'm just going to apply this and then use my brush to blend the color upwards. So since this bright red and nude color are pretty different in shade, to get the blend to be smoother, I actually squeezed out a little bit of each color onto a notepad, mix those two colors together, and then apply that in the spot where the two colors meet, and that really helped to ease the two colors together. Alright, so after all the nails are cured, I'm just going to take some alcohol and just cleanse the surface. Alright, now before we get on to anything else, I'm going to grab my file and I'm going to shape the nails and file the surface to make it very smooth. So this is what the nails look like after they are filed and buffed. Next, I do want to do some nail art on these. I'm thinking something gold will pair nicely with this. So I'm going to grab, this is actually a holographic gold colored nail polish, and I'm just going to use the brush to carefully paint on a little almost chevron outlining on the tip of the nail. Now I'm going to grab my gel top coat, and this one is also included in the polygel kit, and I'm going to apply this to all of the nails. But then I decided to do something different on the ring nail. So I took the top coat and applied it to the nail but did not cure. Then I started placing the rhinestones. So I started out with 3 red ones down the middle of the nail, and then adding some silver ones to the sides. And also putting in these little white circle glitters. And then curing. And after taking it out, I did do the thumb and I decided to also bling it out a bit. So this is what the finished set looks like. Honestly, when I was starting out, I wasn't sure how they would all turn out. I just kind of went with it and I had some ideas, and this is the finished result. I think it is very pretty and different. The red to nude ombre kind of has a formal and maybe even summery look. But speaking of summer, I did win this package of Fimo little fruit slices from a giveaway on YouTube, and I am planning to do some nail art with these for my next video. So if you'd like to see what I come up with, then make sure you are subscribed to my channel and have the bell on so you won't miss my nail art videos twice a week. If you guys want to see more nail art tutorials from me and get inspired, I do have a whole playlist all put together, and you can find that in the upper right corner of your screen and below in my description. Remember that a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. So I hope to see you all in my next video, and I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers, so if you know anyone who you might think would be interested in my videos, feel free to share my channel with them. I'd really appreciate that. Thank you again so much for watching, and have a magical day.